To the wing side, Lawan, Will J. Now give Lim 2 times. Lim. Ball by jersey number 16. Last big situation. Go to Lawan. Hesitate back to go to jersey number 16. Fade away 2 times. 1 goes. Go back to Lawan. Lawan. Nabuyan ang bola. Nakuha ni Lawan. Take out the lead. Yes sir. 2 points. Lim. To go. Shot up 14. To the wing side. Lawan to the baseline. 8-0-1 for Team Triumph. Down to Lim. Lim. Coast to coast. And one. Basket count for jersey number 23, Flores. Pick it down by jersey number 11, Lim. For 3 points for Lim. Diaz. To Sabullano, fake. Lumusot. Reviewed by Sabullano. Nakascore again the Team Flores. Unsialabao sa Team Giants. Go. Inside pass. Team Flores. Flores. Fast break situation. 2 points. He's running to Flores. Babas Kabukanan. 2 points. Please, time limit. Nabilis sa oras. Lawan. 2 points. Please. 13 foul, Team Giants. Team Giants was a feed, easy to layup. Shot 10, it's a jungle. Sabullano for 3 points. Sabullano. Running score 11-17. Lim. Long 3 points for Lim. Flores. Flores J short. Regardless of Sabullano fadeaway 2 points. Remaining time 2 minutes of the first quarter. Running score 20-13. Montoya. Double team pass to go. Lawan behind Michael Jones. Fast break to Flores. Easy 2 times. 5 lang ang labaw sa Team Giants. 1:40 na bilhin sa oras. Yes, run it. Keep points. Wala lang ang labaw sa Giants. Go. Double team. And to traveling. Lim. Lim put that 2 points. 20 seconds. No more shot clock. 15. Sabullano kick and pass.